I'm dying to smell Bacio Immortale.
Yes, yeah.
Trust me, you need to smell this.
Incredible. Any guy that comes into the store that's looking for something unique, I've had guys come in that have never really experienced niche before, and they want something that's masculine, and so I bring them to Bacio Immortale. This is the immortal kiss.
That's right.
And this is one that I think has such a complexity about it. There's a freshness, but there's a spicy, smoky leather.
Now, what they do here is the leather and the raspberry is in the top note, which is unusual. Normally, you put a leather in a base, even in the heart. But he's come out of the gate with the leather and that raspberry note. Now, that raspberry will play all the way through.
Yes.
You get a smoky oud down the very bottom.
There's a oud birch combination, I think, in the dry down.
Right.
And that birch gives you this foresty feel to it. And that's why sometimes when I smell it, I pick up a lot of green elements.
This is a clever fragrance. This is something, so I'm a big fan of leather as in perfumes, but I don't have anything that is equal part masculine and strong, but soft and alluring. The story behind it is that it's on that immortal kiss that Kevin was saying, and it's on the Greek mythology of Psyche and Eros, who is Cupid, and how that kiss kept her alive even when she was in hell. And I think it's that raspberry with that soft with that hard. It's that beautiful balance between the two.